Good morning, children. Saira. I hope, children, you all must have enjoyed vacation. And I hope you must have done our project very well. What was our project? Do you remember? Yes, number flowers. So, children, did you enjoy the project making? Okay. So, in the previous classes of maths, we have learnt numbers from 1 to 100. And I hope you all are revising the numbers every day. So, let's revise today also. Okay. Now, teacher will read the numbers and you all will repeat after me. Ready, children? Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So children, you have to keep revising numbers every day. Now children, in the previous class, we have also learned groups of 2, groups of 5 and groups of 10. So let's revise once. Are you ready? Okay. First, I will start with groups of 2. Groups of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now, groups of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Now children, we will revise groups of 10. 10, 20, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now children, I am going to show you some pictures and you have to observe the picture and then teacher will ask you some questions. So you have to answer correctly. Okay children? Now look at this picture and observe it very carefully and you have to tell me what you can see here on the screen. Yes, there are two pictures. One is to your left hand side and the other is to your right hand side. And in both the pictures, what are the things we can see? Yes, we can see window, common thing in both the pictures, and a boy and a chair. But children, are these pictures are same or there is some difference? Can you tell me? Yes, observe the picture properly, then you can answer me. Yes children, there is a chair and a window and a boy, but there is a little difference. What is that? Yes, very good. I know you all are very clever and you all can easily find out the difference. So, in the picture which is to your left hand side, in that picture we can see a boy who is standing and what he is doing? Yes, he is wearing a shirt. And now see the picture to your right hand side and there we can see a boy who is sitting. And what he is doing children? Just see and tell me. Yes, he is wearing shoes. Very good. So this is the difference between these two pictures. Now let's see the next picture. Now children, look at this picture. What you all can see here? Yes, you all can see the beautiful pictures of birds. Can you name this bird? Yes children, you all should know the names of the birds. Yes, this is a flamingo. Yes, here we can see many flamingos. So, the picture which is to your left hand side, there all birds are standing near the pond. And in the other picture, what we can see? Are both the pictures are same? No. Here also we can see some difference. There are difference in both the pictures. So the picture which is to your right hand side, we can see there those birds are flying in the sky. So now children, you can easily find out the difference. So children, our today's topic is find the difference. Now teacher is going to show you more pictures and you have to observe it very carefully and find out the difference. Okay children, ready? Look at this picture children and observe it very carefully. And what you have to do? Yes, you can find some differences. You have to find out the difference between these two pictures. So let's start. Come on, observe it very carefully. Now see the picture which is to your left hand side. So in that picture, we can see two children, a girl is in front of the boy and the boy is behind the girl. See the picture to your right hand side. In that picture, can we see these two children positioned same like first picture? No, here we can see a boy is standing in front of the girl and the girl is behind the boy. So this is the one difference. Now children, in both the pictures we can see birds. Can you see the birds? Yes. But if we count the birds in both the pictures, we can find there is a difference. So in the picture to your left hand side, in that picture we can find 5 birds are flying, and in the second picture, which is to your right hand side, in that picture we can see 3 birds are flying. So this is the one more difference between these two pictures. Now children, in both the picture we can see balls and a butterfly. But the position of the butterflies and a ball is different. Now children, can we see flower in both the picture? So can you tell me in which picture we can see a flower? Yes, very good. The picture which is to your right hand side, in that picture we can see a flower. And anything left children? Come on, observe the picture. Yes, I know you all are very clever. If you see the boy very carefully, you will understand. Yes, the color of the clothes of the boy in both the picture is different. The picture which is to your left hand side, in that picture a boy is wearing yellow color pant and the boy who is in right hand side picture is wearing red color pant. Anything else children? Have you understood? I hope children you all are understanding. Yes. So now let's see the next picture. Now children, look at this picture, and now we are going to find out the difference between these two pictures. So children, in both the pictures, can we see a tree? Yes, we can see tree in both the picture. And we can see also a man who is wearing a pink color shirt. Now there are some similarities, but children, there are some differences and we are going to find out the difference. So let's start. So children, can we see a boy who is riding on a bicycle in both the pictures? Yes. But children, can that boy is in same position in both the pictures? No. If you see the picture which is to your right hand side, in that picture we can see a boy who is riding on a bicycle is near the tree here. Just see this picture. And in the picture which is to your left hand side, in that picture the boy who is riding on a bicycle is behind the tree here. Just see children. So this is the one difference which we can see. Have you understood children? Now, in both the pictures, can we see birds? we can see birds, but their position is different in both the pictures. See, in the picture which is to your right hand side, we can see two birds are flying on the tree. But the picture which is to your left hand side, in that picture we can see a bird flying here below the tree. Can you see, children? So this is one more difference which we can see. Now children, in both the pictures we can see a man. Can you see a man who is wearing pink color shirt? Yes. And what else we can see near that man? Yes, we can see an animal. Can you name it? Yes, we can see a dog. But the position of the dog is different in both the pictures. So the picture which is to your left hand side, in that picture we can see a dog is standing in front of the man here. Just see. See here this picture. This dog is standing in front of the man. But in the another picture which is to your right hand side, in that picture we can find this dog is behind the man. Can you see, children? Yes, so this is one more difference which we can see in both the pictures. Now children, anything else you can see? Yes, we can see a nest on both the tree. On the branch of the tree we can see a nest. And see the picture which is to your left hand side. There on the tree we can see a nest, and how many birds we can see there? Yes, we can find there only one small bird. Can you see, children? Yes. And in the other picture which is to your right hand side, in that picture in the nest we can find two little birds. See here. Can you see, children? Okay, so this is one more difference we can see here. Now anything else, children? Can you tell me? Yes, we can see two boys are sitting on the branches of the tree, and they are sitting in the same position. Okay, children, have you understood? Okay, now let's see the next picture. Tell me what you all can see here in this picture. Yes, in both the pictures we can see some children. Two girls and one boy in both the picture. But if you see the first picture, children, in that picture we can see a girl who is sitting on the chair, and the same girl in the second picture, she is standing behind the chair. Can you see, children? See, this girl here is sitting on the chair, and in this picture she is standing behind the chair. So this is one difference which we can see. And yes, the position of the boy who is on the bed is different in both the pictures. In the first picture we can see a girl who is wearing yellow and white color dress is standing behind the chair. Okay, see here, this girl is standing behind the chair. But in the second picture we can see she is sitting on the chair. So This is the difference which we can see in this picture. Okay children, now let's see the next picture. Okay, now see this picture very carefully, observe it and tell me the difference. Yes, in both the pictures we can find some trees. If you count children, in first picture we can see how many trees? Yes, we can find there 5 trees. But in the second picture, which is to your right hand side, in that picture we can see only 4 trees. In the first picture, which is to your left hand side, in that picture we can see a sun. But in the second picture, which is to your right hand side, in that picture we cannot see a sun. And in the first picture we can see many birds. And in the second picture we can see few birds. Now children, in the first picture we cannot see flowers. In the second picture we can also see the flowers. See here, I will show you. Here in this picture we can see flowers. Okay, here flowers we can see. But in the first picture, which is to your left hand side, there are no flowers. Okay, and here we can see 2 children. In this picture we can see 2 children. But in the first picture we cannot see any children. Now children, just see the first picture which is to your left hand side. In that picture we can see some animals. See here, we can see animal. We can see here some animals. But in the second picture we cannot see animals under the tree. Now anything else children? So these many are the differences which we can see in this picture. In the first picture children, we cannot see grass. Okay, like this way. In the second picture which we can see here like this grass is not seen in the first picture. So this is one more difference. I hope children you all are understanding now and you all are easily finding out the difference. I hope children you all must have understood how to find the difference. And children, in the next period we are going to do an interesting activity. So thank you so much children and see you soon in the next period. Bye children.